How to go live on Facebook Lite application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can go live on Facebook Lite application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you must have the Facebook Lite application. If you have not installed it yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store. So after you have installed it, now open up the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you're logged in, on your home page, there at the top is a section as what's on your mind. Tap on it. And from here, you can either add photos or videos or post your status from here. Now, if you want to go live, there is an option as go live on this interface. Tap on it. And now you have to wait until the live video is set up. If you want to allow to record audio, tap on while using the application. Okay. And that's how you can go live on Facebook Lite application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.